Hi, welcome to Montana Cedar Works, and today we're doing an assembly video on putting together a deck planter, of which we have several styles. But the thing about them, they all go together the same way. This is a 3-inch lifted deck planter in a horizontal board design. And here we have a very nice deck planter that sits flush, vertical board design. But again, it goes together the exact same way that the other planter does. You can have some planters that screw together from the side here going in, and some that screw together from the end. But you'll see how they all go together in the same fashion. So let's get started. For the sake of handling, we're going to put together a design very similar to the first one, just a little smaller for the sake of handling. And how it goes together is, this will be the sideboard, and this will be the sideboard, and we're going to put it together in this fashion. And how you know which corner you put it together is all your planters will be marked with an A, B, C, or D. And the idea is you put the D against the D face to face, and now you've got the correct corner going together. So I've got a D here, and I've got a D here, and I've put the screws in already to kind of save some time. But I just kind of come in and put the D over the D, and I'm coming in straight at it, and right away I can feel the top screw is in the hole of this inner board, and I can try and move the boards a little back and forth, sliding against each other, and I can feel I'm in the hole. That's the very important thing that you need to do. And also what helps you is I'm very flush on the two boards on the outside corner. So it's just an easy just slowly with a variable speed drill it in slow at the end and just snug it up. This one is all lined up because I got the sides flush after putting in the first screw. This one is just flush. I know that the screw is lined up with the hole. In we go. Now, I'll take the other long panel here, and this is the inside, the one with the strip that's attached to the board panel, which holds your bottom boards in place. So same thing. I'm going to come in kind of straight at it. I've got the screw sticking through about 1/8 of an inch on the inside here. So the very fine point of the screw is sticking out, and that's why I find the hole. There it is. I can slide this back and forth and feel that I'm in the hole, and it's ready to go. So there it is. Just slowly tighten it up, line up the board here, get the sides just perfectly flush. That's how we build them. In it goes. I know these holes are lined up. The bottom one, easiest of all. Look at how fast it's happening. Now I got a B here and a B here, and I put the two letters face to face. Come straight in at it. Again, I've got the screw about 1/8 of an inch coming out, so it helps me find the hole. There it is. I just went right into the hole. It's flush on this side. That lets me know another way that I'm in the hole. And look at how fast this planter. Get it flush on this side, and in we go. They have to line up. Here we go again. This one is C. I got the C over the C. I come straight in at it, and there it is. The hole, I just felt it pop in. I try and move this a little bit. I'm in the hole. The boards are flush here on the outside. On this middle one, I kind of grab it and make sure it's flush here. And then the holes, they just have to line up. In we go. In we go. Also on this style planter, you'll see you'll see some letters here, numbers, and sometimes they may be letters, but I have a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. And I also, on the underside of the caps, have the same number. So it's got 3 screw holes, 3 screws go in, and 3, just put it over the 3, and the idea is the screw is sticking out again about 1/8 of an inch. So I feel it go in that hole and slide it back and forth, and I can do that with both the 2 screws that I had already in the cap, sticking out about 1/8 of an inch. There you go. And then the 3rd hole has to line up with the other 2 in there. All done. I don't think this planter will take you 10 minutes to put it together. And the last thing about this planter is, like a lot of our planters, we have the boards cut, and you drop the bottom boards in, and they'll be all the way across. And you'll find some ones that are narrower than the other boards, and maybe you might take one out, or both of them, or the little bigger one, and this allows you to create your own storage. Your own drainage, and space the boards apart how you'd like them. Maybe 1/8 of an inch or so, and create your own drainage. Getting a lot of air up into the roots of your plants is good. You don't want your roots in soggy soil all the time. Water them good, let them air out and dry for a few days, and water them again. Anyway, that's how easy it is putting together a deck planter. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck.